Hey guys, today we're unboxing a solar controller. We bought it because we have a couple of solar panels. So let's see. We bought one of the cheapest ones. It's actually about $15 most. So here it is, solar charge controller. LGD, I don't know what LGD is. Let's see, anything else? Yep, 24 volts, 60 amps. I guess it's not exactly 60 amps, most likely not even close, but we'll see. So nothing else in the box. Here is the controller. It has a short user manual. Yep. Some information about the charge and stuff. MPPT solar charge controller. It's not MPPT for sure. I guess for this amount of money you can truly expect a real MPPT controller. But it says rated voltage 12 or 24. You can connect a 12 volt battery, 24 volt battery, or two 12 volt batteries depending on what you have. Rated current 60 amps, I hope. Max PV voltage 50 volts. Well, I guess we are not going to really reach that. Max PV input 780 watts if it's 12 volt and 1560 watts if it's 24 volts. We'll be connecting about 500 watts from two panels, so we are within the range. It also has two outputs for USB, where you can connect anything like a phone to charge or anything like that. So this is just a simple charge controller, nothing fancy, and we'll see. I hope it works. Thank you very much guys for watching. Bye!